Hello guys, so if you're looking to upload some images on Midjourney, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So firstly, what you need is an image. So if you have an image, you can just simply upload that, but I don't have an image. In that case, you can just simply go to a Chrome browser or any browser to be specific, and then just simply upload an image from a site. So what I would suggest is go to a public domain site where all the images are free, then click on the link and use images from here. So let's take a portrait of someone. Now let's take this image as an example. So click on the image, then this will download the image by click on the download option over here and download in any size of your liking and download. Now wait for the downloading to appear, then save to a location and it's saved. Now after the image is downloaded, you can just simply go to Discord and upload by clicking on the plus icon, then upload file, or you can just simply drag and drop the image from the browser directly into the Discord chat, just like this. Then hit enter. Now after the image is uploaded, all you have to do is simply edit the image. So for doing that, right click on the image, copy link, then just simply enter the chat, which is /imagine, then paste the link, then space, and now you can write anything of your liking, like in pixel art. Then if you want, you can also add an aspect ratio. So for me it's 9:16. So to add aspect ratio, just simply hit space --AR, then an aspect ratio, which is for me 9:16. Then just simply hit enter. Now wait for the Midjourney to create an image. So as you can see, it came up with some pretty good results, as you can see right over here. Now I've also created another batch of the same art, but in a default aspect ratio as well, and they came pretty good as well, as you can see right over here. And the best looking images are the third one and little bit the fourth one as well. And at the first one, the best images mostly the first one and the third one. Now all you have to do is just simply upscale them, and now you're mostly done. So just simply click on the image and download the image. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.